Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Mercedes A250 AMG. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the 7-speed automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 215 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 29 and the car's covered just over 30,000 miles. This particular colour is the metallic Cosmos Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the gorgeous Mercedes interior. The seats are electric with memory setting and also heated with the red stitching going around the outside. These are really comfy as well. You also have the matching AMG steering wheel. A few other features I can mention: the car's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone, and also climate control, as well as cruise control and automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your controls for the folding mirrors and the 4 window switches. As you open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well. And it's good to see the car's still got the original AMG carpet floor mats too. And as we open the tailgate, we have a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit and first aid. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the panoramic roof there, and then the front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and one for finance, which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.